there are better ways to treat your chronic injury than a lifetime of pain meds or even surgery.
That's right. Incredible advances in medicine are making it possible to help your body heal itself. This is pretty incredible stuff. Regenerative medicine is the latest tool to repair damaged tissue, even old injuries. And here to tell us more is Dr. Joel Cherdack of Denver Regenerative Medicine. Welcome to the show.
Yeah.
Paula and I are so excited to talk about this. We were giving you a list of all our
bending his
ailments.
ear. Yes, we've got this, we've got that.
And there are so many things that you can do without surgery. Pretty high-tech stuff, cutting edge. Tell us what regenerative medicine is all about.
Okay, so regenerative medicine is a new field in medicine, and it involves using your body's own healing materials to replenish or repair things that have been damaged or lost, either through injury or through the natural process of aging.
So one of the therapies you use is called platelet-rich plasma.
That's
do I have that
correct.
right?
Yes,
Okay.
you do.
So what's going on there? What's happening?
So platelet-rich plasma, or PRP, is a process where we take blood from your arm. We then take that blood and we put it in a centrifuge to separate the blood into its component layers. Then we take that layer that includes the platelets and the healing and growth factors that allow your body to heal itself. It's concentrated 10 times. We then take that with a real thin needle and we place that with ultrasound guidance on the area that's damaged, so a torn muscle or a torn ligament, and it signals your body to heal that area a second time, if you will. So it gives your body a second chance to heal an old injury, or a first chance to kind of concentrate those healing factors on a new injury. So it's using your body's own natural healing ability to heal something that's not healed or something that's degenerated over time.
This is fascinating.
That's pretty incredible, because I have an old injury in my hamstring, 4 years old, never healed. And you say you'd have to do, a consult, but you
Right.
say that this could be healed.
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
That's great. Let's move on to the stem cell therapy, and we want to make it clear that this is not,
Right.
the controversial
Right.
things that we see in the media. This is
Sure,
very different.
Sure. When I bring up stem cell therapy to most people, the first thing that they think about is the controversial stem
Right.
cells, which is embryonic stem cells. What we use are your body's own adult stem cells called mesenchymal stem cells. Those stem cells can turn into ligament, muscle, cartilage, and in some cases bone. And where we get those cells, it's a similar process to PRP. What we do is we take a sample of blood from either behind your hip or a sample of fat cells. We then do the same thing where we put that into a centrifuge, spin that down, and then just remove the layer that contains your stem cells. Then we take that, and in the same method, place that on the damaged area. And what that does is it creates like a scaffolding for your body then to come and put all of the tissue and all of the new material onto
Wow.
that scaffolding, so it can repair cartilage in a degenerated joint, it can repair tears in a ligament, it can repair tears in a muscle. Really pretty amazing stuff.
So you have two incredible therapies that can help in so many ways, but different, different conditions.
Right.
So I would imagine, people just need to come to you and get a consultation, and you can kind of walk them through what is going to be the best kind of treatment for them, right?
Correct. The way the process works is we're offering a free initial consultation where we'll review either your MRI, we'll do a physical evaluation and decide and let you know whether you're a good candidate for either of these therapies. If you're not, we still have other traditional therapies in our clinic, such as physical therapy, massage therapy, and acupuncture. So depending on your injury, we can advise you as to what would be the best therapy for your problem.
It all comes down to results. So how long does it take before someone sees those results?
Okay, well, in the case of PRP and stem cell therapy, since your body's going through the healing process again, it takes a couple of weeks for things to get better. Around the 4th week is when people tend to see improvements in decreased pain, increased function, and around 6 to 8 weeks is when the full healing process has come to completion and when
That's
people
pretty
feel
incredible,
full
though.
results.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, even with the old injuries that are, like
Yep.
hers is 4 years old.
Yeah, or even people whose joints have degenerated with age over time, this can help rebuild the cartilage that's degenerated in the joint, avoiding surgery and avoiding drugs.
Incredible. Are these treatments pretty affordable now?
Yes, it used to be the case that they were over $10,000 and they were only available to elite athletes and
Right.
celebrities. Now the cost has come down to where we can do stem cell therapy for $5,500 and we can do PRP for $1,500. We are offering through the end of February 25% off of any of our services with 0% financing for 14 months for people who qualify for that. So it really is affordable for most people to come and have this process done. Insurance does not cover these two therapies. However, it does reimburse some of the procedures that are involved in producing these therapies. So sometimes insurance will reimburse it, and we'll work with the patient to help
Right.
determine whether or not their insurance is
Yeah.
going to reimburse them.
But it's just incredible that your body can help heal itself. I mean, between, these two therapies in, 8 weeks time, then you can be off your meds. You don't have to have surgery. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
it's
unbelievable.
Yeah, it's amazing, and it's great that you're not using drugs or surgery. You're using your own cells, your own healing factors in your own body, concentrating that down, and using that to allow your body to have a second chance to heal an old injury or a degenerative joint.
And you only need one treatment, or how does that work?
Depending on the age of the patient, the severity of the injury, and how long the injury's been present, will determine whether or not one therapy is necessary or multiple therapies are necessary. But we can go over that with the patients when they come in, and we discuss what the best treatment options are for them.
That's great.
So you can get help for your hip and your shoulder.
Oh,
do you do sciatica? That's my issue.
Yes.
All right, you can help us all.
We
Thank
will
you.
be there
Absolutely.
next week.
Awesome, awesome.
So here are the details of that offer again. Call now to schedule a consultation, and you can receive 25% off treatments now through February. Also, receive 0% financing for 14 months for those who qualify. Call them right now to schedule that free consultation. It's Denver Regenerative Medicine. The number is 720-583-1648. And you can also find them online at denverregenerativemedicine.com. Fascinating. Well, coming up on Colorado's Best, improve your fireplace performance. Find out how to prevent smoking drafts and odors and keep it burning cleaner. Plus, a